Hey everyone, welcome to our channel New Tech Made Easy. Today, I'm going to be talking about the advantages of Bing and AI and how you can set up and optimize your Bing artificial intelligence experience. What is Bing artificial intelligence? Bing artificial intelligence is a new artificial intelligence-powered search engine from Microsoft. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence technologies to enhance the search experience and provide users with more relevant and personalized search results. By incorporating artificial intelligence, Bing artificial intelligence can understand the context of user queries, predict their intent, and offer more comprehensive answers. Why use Bing artificial intelligence? There are several compelling reasons to consider using Bing artificial intelligence. 1. More relevant results. Bing artificial intelligence utilizes artificial intelligence algorithms to grasp the context of your search query, enabling it to deliver more accurate and relevant search results. This is particularly beneficial when searching for specific information or when you're unsure of what you're looking for. 2. More personalized results. Bing artificial intelligence is designed to predict user intent based on previous interactions and search history, allowing it to provide more personalized search results. By understanding your interests and preferences, Bing artificial intelligence can present you with content that aligns with your needs. 3. More comprehensive answers. Bing artificial intelligence goes beyond providing a list of search results. It can generate more comprehensive answers by aggregating information from various sources. This means you'll see not only links to relevant websites, but also images, videos, and other media related to your search query. How to set up Bing artificial intelligence. Setting up Bing artificial intelligence is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps. Go to the Bing website, bing.com. 2. Click on the Artificial Intelligence tab located in the navigation bar. 3. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create a new account for free. 4. Once signed in, you can enable Bing artificial intelligence by following the prompts or accessing the artificial intelligence settings within your account preferences. How to optimize your Bing artificial intelligence experience. To make the most of your Bing artificial intelligence experience, consider the following optimization tips. 1. Use natural language queries. Bing artificial intelligence excels at understanding natural language queries, so try to phrase your searches conversationally. Instead of relying on specific keywords, ask questions or describe what you're looking for using natural language. 2. Utilize the Bing artificial intelligence sidebar. When you perform a search using Bing artificial intelligence, you'll notice a sidebar that provides additional information related to your query. Take advantage of this feature by exploring the links to relevant websites, images, videos, and other resources displayed in the sidebar. 3. Provide feedback to Bing artificial intelligence. Bing artificial intelligence is continuously evolving, and Microsoft welcomes user feedback to improve its functionality. If you encounter any issues or have suggestions for enhancing the Bing artificial intelligence experience, visit the bingai website and submit your feedback through the designated channels. Bing artificial intelligence offers a powerful and intelligent search experience, enabling users to find information quickly and easily. Whether you're searching for specific details, seeking personalized results, or looking for comprehensive answers, Bing artificial intelligence has you covered. Give it a try, and you may be pleasantly surprised by the benefits it brings to your search journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Visit the bingai website to learn more about its features and start using it today. Experience the advantages of bingai and unlock a new level of search intelligence.